This is a 2018 GMC Sierra 2500 SLT, DURAMAX diesel. Overall, super clean truck inside and out. Very, very nice. It's got some upgraded BFGOODRICH all-terrain tires. Got the chrome wheels, 20-inch. Got the chrome factory running boards, Z71 four-wheel drive with the Allison transmission, DURAMAX. Trailer tow mirrors. It's got the AVS rain guards there. Already got the window tint, LED reverse guidance lights. Has a little pinstripe down the whole side and goes up, and then downside the bed. Sun's coming out so you can start seeing the paint. Really pretty. Reverse parking sensors, tow package of course, backup camera. Already has a bed cover on it. The REVOLVER X4. It's like a vinyl bed cover of some sort. Spray and bed liner from Linex. You can see the LED bed lights up top. It does have a dent here, kind of. Looks like something fell on it. Not just this, but the plastic itself. You can see it has a slight contour to it. Looks like it touched the body just a little bit, but no paint chipping, so that might be like a paintless dent repair thing that can be done. B&W turnover ball gooseneck hitch. You can see it's got the load leveling airbags. Couple little small dents on the door, some paint scratches. Other than that, it looks to be in great shape. LED daytime running lights, HID headlights. So this truck did, when it was traded in, it had some seat covers on it. You'll see those in the photo. I ended up keeping them in one of the photos, but these black covers, we're going to include them with the sale, just in case you saw it with those covers and you wanted it. But we wanted to take them off though, at least just so you could see the factory leather. And it's a dune color, so the black just really didn't look good, but it protected the seat. Power windows, locks, side mirrors, power folding side mirrors, all the good stuff. Driver memory seat package. BOSE audio. It's got the rubber floor mats, power driver seat. So I don't know when they put these seat covers on, but I imagine probably pretty soon after they got the truck. But the seats look in phenomenal condition. I mean, they were covered. I would say probably most of its life, don't quote me. So that is a plus side. The steering wheel was also covered with a steering wheel cover. We do not have that one. We just tossed it out. So the steering wheel looks to be in really good shape. A little bit of wear here from where the steering wheel kind of rubbed on the paint or metal look here. Bluetooth, cruise control, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, trailer brake, four-wheel drive, automatic headlights. This is a non-smoker. 35,000 miles. Backup camera, built-in navigation, Apple CarPlay, Google Android Auto, AM, FM, XM radio, dual zone climate control system, heated and cooled seats, power adjustable pedal. You get the lane change alert, all your different ports. It does have a wireless charging pad here on top. It's got this extra storage here with the coin tray. Another little pocket there that goes a little deeper. You can see the 12-volt port, 12 volt, 2 USB ports, I'm sorry, auxiliary. And then there's the 12 volt. Up top, you got your garage door opener, LED map lights, auto dimming rearview mirror, OnStar. Locking glove box on the top, traditional on the bottom. It does have the owner's manual inside. And then this is remote keyless entry with remote engine start.